It's a beautiful warm brown and has no reds in it. So walnut's going to look very similar to what we just brushed on here. Just going to bring up a little more of a red color. This is our color graphite, by the way, a beautiful gray. So if you're working on raw wood, you can see already you're going to get a beautiful sheen, gorgeous glow without any sealers going on top, any primers, any wood conditioners going on the raw wood. So ebony being warm black means it's not going to look like black tar on something. So espresso is, as the name would imply, it is a brown, and it is a dark, rich brown, very akin to a black. So this might be unique here because this is our antique white, and this is going to give us a whitewashed look. This is unlike our whitewashed antique wood gel. The original all-in-one paint, often imitated but never duplicated. Why settle for less? Follow us here for more DIY inspiration and tutorials.